Welcome back to your favorite show on YouTube, it's Cocktails and Cribs. And today, I'm gonna take you back to the 90s. You remember the 90s, you know, young love. Some of us, it was high school and maybe the early years of college, grunge music, plaid. Today, we're gonna make a cocktail called the Fitzgerald, which came to us in the 90s. So, grab your shaker tin and follow along at home. So the Fitzgerald is basically a gin sour, except we're not going to use egg white and we're going to add angostura bitters. Your shaker tin, your favorite jigger. This isn't my favorite anymore.
You got a new favorite jigger?
I got a new favorite, but I didn't bring it. Well, that's okay. Today we're going to start with 3 dashes of angostura bitters, our favorite bitter. Then we're going to add 2 ounces of your favorite gin.
Which of course,
in this case, for us, is our favorite aviation American gin. It's Ryan Reynolds. Ryan, thanks for liking and subscribing to our channel. Do not think he's done that, but that's okay. So we're going to do 2 parts gin, and then we're going to actually do 1 ounce of lemon juice. For some people, this might be too much. Maybe dial this back to 3/4 of an ounce. And then we're going to add 1/2 ounce of our simple syrup. Today we're using a 1-to-1 ratio. That's 1 part sugar, 1 part water. Grab some ice. There's a bag of ice in the sink, all right? Once you've shaken it for a good 10 seconds, grab your chilled glassware just to make it extra cold.
More sink ice.
A little more sink ice. Now we're just gonna strain our cocktail over top. Take a lemon peel coin and just express some oils when you're ready. And there we have our Fitzgerald.
Checker in my left hand, key ring in my right. Touring all these floor plans, tasting all this light. Little lime on a high rise, salt rim on a split level flip. If the budget gets a bit tight, we cut the garnish, not the drip. Hey! Raise a glass to where you live. Every wall, every scratch, every story.
Cheers, my friend.
Cheers.
Cheers.
The Fitzy. It is quite sour.
Yeah.
There's a lot of lemon, but it's not overwhelmingly citrus.
No.
I get more of the angostura and the spiciness of the bitters than I expected.
Yeah, there's so many gin drinks
So
that are
good.
similar, kind of, to this. So having the angostura in there really kind of sets it apart.
That would be characteristic of this for me. Angostura, the bitters is interesting because it's not something a flavor that you want to just try straight and kind of think about. It's got to be mixed in.
Sans our Negroni video. There you go, the Fitzgerald. Very pleasant on the nose, very pleasant on the taste buds. So
Very tasty.
It's a good one. Thanks to the mother-in-law for suggesting the Fitzgerald, and
Hey,
I will make you one at some point. I promise.
I jumped the queue.
Indeed. You have a way to do that. I don't know. It's just everything. Let's try Rob first.
I could be a good guinea pig.
Indeed.
I'm a good confidence.
Yes, for sure. Give the Fitzgerald a try for yourself. Let us know what you think of it, because I think it's a winner.
That's a surprise. I mean, not a surprise that I liked it,
No, that's
but that's never the surprise.
no. Hey, thanks for watching.
Super good.
Make sure you check out this amazing house here in Evanston in Northwest Calgary. It's a beautiful house.
It is
It's very large.
set up very nice.
Yeah. So you'll want to stay around and check that out. We're going to stay around and check these out. And we'll talk to you next time on
Cocktails and Crips.
Yes. Looking for a 4-bedroom house with 2 en-suites? You've come to the right place. Check out this awesome house in Evanston.
Wishing a change of heart, that all the answers change me. Can you calm me down? Oh, I've been so lost in the dark. I've been so lost in the dark. I've been so lost in the fever. It's burning my head to the ground. Could use your company. Yeah, I've been so lost in the dark. I'm trying to still fall golden train.